Interglobe Aviation Limited, which operates budget carrier IndiGo, has become India's leading airline to cross 1 trillion rupees in market capitalization, Mcap, on June 28. Let's take a deep dive at it in this video. The stock hit a 52-week high of 2,634 rupees and 25 paise on the BSE earlier in the session, with a market value of 1.01 trillion rupees. Shares of IndiGo settled 3.55% higher at 2,619 rupees and 85 paise apiece on the BSE, compared to the previous close of 2,529 rupees and 95 paise. The market share of India's largest airline rose 60%, up 390 basis points in May. Its market share stood at 61.3% after rising 70 basis points in April, 90 basis points in March and 130 basis points in February. The low-cost carrier flew 81.10 lakh passengers in May. IndiGo placed an order for 500 Airbus A320 family aircraft in the largest order in the history of commercial aviation. The deal is pegged at $50 billion at list prices, and the airline will take delivery of these new aircraft between 2030 and 2035. At the moment, IndiGo operates over 300 aircraft and has previous orders totaling 480 aircraft, which are expected to be delivered by the end of 2030. Global brokerage UBS raised IndiGo's target price from 2,690 rupees to 3,300 rupees, up over 22%, as a result of an improved Q1 FY24 outlook. The brokerage maintained its buy rating on the stock and indicates a 33% growth in value for the stock. According to the brokerage, the improved outlook has been driven by strong underlying demand, which has lifted passenger load factors, PLF, higher yields, which have been aided by strong demand and the suspension of Go First's operations, and lower fuel costs due to falling crude prices, lower VAT, and higher engine efficiency. The brokerage forecasts earnings per share, APS, of 82 rupees for Q1 FY24E, which is 37% higher than IndiGo's record high annual APS in FY18. The brokerage expects Q1 yields to rise 6% year-on-year, with available seat kilometers up 7% sequentially and 18% year-on-year. The foreign brokerage firm also stated that it believes IndiGo is now very well placed to deal with any downturn and can handle any sudden up move in crude oil or the US dollar without major capital burn. In the January to March quarter of fiscal 2022-23, IndiGo reported a record profit of 919.2 crore rupees, as air travel boomed. The total income for the airline during the quarter rose by 78% on year to 14,600 crore rupees. The airline reported a yield or revenue earned per paying passenger flown per kilometer of 4.85 rupees per kilometer as compared to 4.40 rupees per kilometer in the same quarter a year ago.